Okay, sorry guys, I'm just double checking. We got plenty of storage. See what we said. 38.1 gigabytes. I don't know why that took so long to check, but that's okay. These are just like random files. These are not entire gigabytes, but that's okay. 38.1 gigabytes available. Okay, we had 2.2 gigabytes available. Now we have about 30 gigabytes. I don't know why 30 gigabytes. Like I literally don't know why, but it's okay. We don't judge. We don't judge. Let's see this video.
Hello, TikTok. Uploading footage from the GoPro.
Oh, yeah, that's my taste test. I'm gonna give me a second. I'm gonna unplug because I'm just how much storage I have left. The files is not bad, but it's lost. So it's got storage. What I have to do, I'm gonna look at these files. What is this file of? This is my copyright. I might do another video that's longer. That's all. What's this? Okay. Okay. Okay, it's 306, 312, 307. Okay, it's about different files. Okay. What is this file of? I don't know. Okay, that's fine. We'll just delete it. Delete. What is this?
Hello, everybody. Time is currently 8:31. Spotify. I'll share there. That's my favorite part. I'll make a part 2.
What is this? It's file transfer?
Isn't that just amazing?
Okay, I don't know what the fuck I filmed in that video. That's okay. Okay, it's fine. Want to see that video? That's a good video. What's this video of? Oh, my chocolate edit. I don't need that footage, but it's fun. What's this?
Hey guys, it's your boy Alex. Hope you're having a great day. Time is... this is called Pink Refresher. Pink Refresher.
This is literally long. What's this? It's just me chugging my. Oh my god, that's my.
I just refill my circle, replenish the flavor. It's 4:41.
Okay. Well, that's the footage we have, and there's Maya making her video. What's this video? I don't know. Okay. Whatever videos that don't load, these don't load, I'm gonna delete because they just take up space. $15 gigabytes. Delete. Saving storage. Even though I'm gonna. Any trash? No. Okay, good. 20 gigabytes. That's crazy. That's about a gigabyte each per video. I'll do that. And then we'll just we'll save some files. My doing a taste test of the let's just go back. Let's see, 2% full. Okay, not bad. 47 megabytes. What is this? Oh, this is time lapse. Yes, it's time lapse. You don't need it. So, I don't want to click, delete, move to trash. 47 megabytes. Okay. 47 megabytes. 45 gigabytes. So saved a bunch of storage. Okay, that's okay. It's not too bad. I'm gonna unplug. I'm gonna stop recording on the GoPro. God, it's so hot. It's scorching hot. Let's see how big of a file this time lapse is. So take out this micro SD card. Okay. Plug that into the micro SD card slot. Okay, can I plug it in? We're good. That's like shit. Okay, whatever. Plug it in, hold on. Get it firmly in there. There you go. Oops. There you go. And that's just, I had to power wash it. Whatever. Files. Entitled. This has 454. I used 22 gigabytes. Oh, jeez. What did I film? Let's see this. It's my time lapse. Okay, let's just delete that. We don't need that. 22-second 4K files. That's why it's in 4K. Yeah, this is me trying to sleep. This was till what? 2:45. Then now. So this was yesterday, 8:33 p.m. From 8:33 to now is when I filmed. It's crazy. What is this video of?
Hello, everybody. It's your boy Alex, part 2. Drinking the.
Oh, the Red Bull. Okay. We did Red Bull taste test. 10 gigabytes? Oh, because it's in 5.3K, 30 frames per second, cinematic mode, 10-bit color. Okay, that's okay. I get that. We're not done. That's manageable. It's a manageable file. That video is going to YouTube. So, if you want, I'm gonna upload the footage now because I'm not gonna. I'll save it to the drive. Control F L R V. Okay, just click on these files. Click and drag to downloads. God, that's how long it's gonna take. 20 seconds, not bad. And then we'll search up thumbnails because these are THN. They're a couple kilobytes. Boom. Click and drag to downloads. Perfect. 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. And now that we've done that, I'm gonna unplug my iPhone. We have how much storage left? 38 gigabytes. I don't know why I need 30 gigabytes, whatever. We'll just unplug it. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Can I delete this? Delete the trash. Movies. Delete the trash. Profiles. Movies. Okay. Fine. Okay. This is a taste test of the Red Bull. That is coming to YouTube. What is it? Let's see this real quick.
guys? It's your boy Alex. Hope you're having a great night. Listen, I didn't get no.
Okay. 74 minute was not bad. Okay. I'm trying to do that. Okay, it's fine. YouTube, bitch. Thank you. Create, upload video. Untitled, DCIM, hard to go pro. Oh, crap. Oh, okay. 10.7 gigabytes. I'm trying to find the compressed version. Is there a compressed version of this? What is this? This is 478. I'm gonna do the compressed version just to save file sizes and transfer speed. I'll download the original video, but tastes of Red Bull. Taste test of Red Bull original. This is fun. I like upload videos. This is fun. Original. Oops, my gosh, can type. Part 2. Those are suggestions. Resets in 17 hours. Reset in 17 hours. I'm not one reset in 17 hours. Upgrade now. I'm not upgrading to that stupid item. That's how we should work it, but upload files. Let's do a thumbnail. Downloads. Camera. Why can't I look at this crap? Thumbnails. I can't find a thumbnail. That'd be JPEGs. Fuck you. I had a image. I took a picture on my hard drive. Where's my hard drive? Why is the hard drive not here? Did I unplug it? Okay, let's plug it in again. Oh my god, don't fall. Okay, good. Got a picture. Good. Okay, it's good. Perfect. Now I can sleep in peace. And look, at 9 views already. God dang. The chocolate video got 5 views, and that was published yesterday. 6 days to 7, so yeah, yesterday, published yesterday. I got a lot of footage. That's really good. I'm really happy for myself. I like it a lot. I don't know why like, it helps me get more views, which is great. I'm not saying no. But I think the thing that YouTube needs to work on is to stop. What is this? Let's do that footage. Let's do that thumbnail. I'm gonna change my thumbnails. 17 hours. Show me some. Oh, save. Boom. There. What I don't like about YouTube is the A/B test running, because that runs for like forever. But whatever floats. YouTube's boat. 9,400 views, 25 hours footage. Great. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm gonna. This might be an old thing, but let's look at this real quick. Cool. Is there any? There's nothing really here that's new. But it doesn't mean there's nothing good to know. It would be nice to know if they're making more videos, making more longer shorts. It says increasing shorts length from like 13 seconds, 15 seconds, like 3 minutes. But that could mean anything. Doesn't have anything special. Just has to work on files. Anyway, guys, so yeah, I'll post this, and I will talk to you later. Adios. Time 1:44 a.m.